Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add area charts in Canva. This is especially useful if you're a Shopify store owner or just getting started and want a clean, visual way to present sales data, traffic trends, or performance over time in your designs. Area charts are a great way to show how values change over time or across categories because the area beneath the line is filled. This makes shifts in performance easier to spot compared to basic line charts. Trends become more visible, and comparisons feel intuitive at a glance, even for viewers who aren't data experts. Think of them as line charts with extra emphasis, perfect for highlighting growth, seasonal patterns like holiday sales spikes, or how different product categories contribute to your overall revenue over a period. Start by opening the Canva project where you want the chart to appear. This could be a presentation, a report, a social media post, or even a slide for a pitch deck. On the left-hand sidebar, click Elements. This is the hub for shapes, graphics, and most importantly for this tutorial, charts. Under the Browse category section, select Charts. You'll see a gallery of options covering different chart types. Look for the section labeled Area Charts, which includes simple fills, layered styles, and more expressive variations that work well for different visual goals. Click See All to open the full collection so you can compare styles and choose the look that best fits your brand or the message you want to communicate. Click an area chart you like once, and Canva will place it on your canvas. From here, you can drag to position it exactly where you want, and use the corner handles to resize it. This helps ensure the chart fits your layout properly and maintains a clean visual hierarchy with your other elements, like headings, images, or callouts, so nothing feels cluttered or overpowering. Next, click the chart on your canvas to select it. When you do, the Options and the Data panel open on the left. This panel is where you control what the chart shows and how it looks, making it the most important part of the setup process. You'll see example labels and numbers already filled in. Replace them with your own data by clicking into the cells and typing your categories and values, such as months, product names, or sales figures. Keep your categories consistent, and for time-based data, enter them in chronological order so the shape of the chart reads correctly as you edit and accurately reflects your performance over time. The chart updates in real time, letting you confirm that the trend and proportions make sense as you work. This instant feedback is helpful for catching mistakes or spotting insights right away. In the same panel, you'll find styling controls to refine the presentation. Adjust fill and line colors to match your brand or document colors, which is especially useful if you want everything to feel cohesive. You can also tweak labels and titles to keep everything readable, even at smaller sizes. If the chart starts to feel busy, simplify category names or reduce the number of series so the most important story stands out and your audience knows exactly what to focus on. If you try a style and decide you want a different area chart, select another area chart from the gallery. Your data will carry over automatically, saving time and making it easy to experiment with different looks until you find the one that best supports your message. That's all you need. Open your project, go to Elements, choose Charts, open Area Charts, click See All, pick a style, and then click the chart to access the Options and Data panel. With those steps, you've successfully added an area chart in Canva and set it up to communicate your data clearly, helping you turn numbers into visuals your audience can quickly understand and act on.